This is where I live. The lady said I scared her. Damn, bro. Yo, what's going on, guys? Back again with another video. So I was just heading home. I just finished work, but I'm starving, so I'm like, yo, I'm gonna grab some food, just run a little POV for you guys. Yes sir. But yeah, I'm starving, so I'm gonna grab a burger. It's actually right there and I live that way, so I'm just gonna grab a little burger, give you guys a little POV. And yeah, I'm gonna edit this video this evening too, but I had to get something to eat, bro. I'm dying. Yo, these roads are so bad though. These roads are not for like lowered cars and stuff. I feel like a lot of people aren't even gonna know what this place is. It's called Patata Glace or something like that. It's a French name. I don't even speak French, but this is where I live. The lady said I scared her. I wasn't even trying to make it pop, but it did. Okay, let me just order my thing real quick. No, but this place though, it's actually hard. It's like good burgers, same price as like McDonald's and everything, and it's actually like fresh burgers, not no fast food processed stuff. It's like actual good stuff. But yo, I swear I live so cheap though, because I think that burger, the meal was like 13 or something like that, and I had like some cash in here. I'm like, you know what? I'll pay with some cash. I'll do the rest on my card. But yeah, I still live like, I live so cheap though. Like, it's good to live below your means though. I feel like it's a good thing. Some people say it's cheap and I'll like stop being so like stingy with your money and stuff, but you know, that's just me though, to be honest. That's just me. I'll spend any amount of money on a car, but when it comes on to other things, I don't know. If I can go cheaper, I'll go cheaper, to be honest. That's just me. Nah, but look though, it's like regular packaging and everything like that. And trust me, those are the best kind of like meals you can get. Like things that are not fancy, like crazy fancy or anything, just the regular stuff, regular brown bag. Hey, that's the way. Those are always the best food, trust. If you guys know, you know. See if I can give you guys a little pull. I need an oil change though. I need an oil change. I'm at 154,000 kilometers. So it's around almost 100k miles. So a lot of you guys always ask me though, like how much miles I have on my car. So roughly 90 something thousand, almost 100k. So it's not too bad, but not the best. A cop? I can't even tell. Imagine. Damn, I'm gonna wait until I'm on some better roads though, before I give you guys like some proper pulls and stuff, because I'm not trying to break my car in this. Back on my road now. I feel like I haven't done a POV on this road in so long, because I used to make POVs like every single day on the same street, but I feel like it's been a while since I've done one. Even the pops are better on this road. It's into the intake. I'm always just smiling. I don't know if you guys can hear it in my voice, but once I'm driving this car, making a POV, I'm always just smiling, bro. Damn, bro. That overrun drop sound. So if you guys don't know what that is, it's a MHD feature. So BM3 actually doesn't have that feature. It's only MHD that has that sick sound, like when you let off the gas. Maybe BM3 is gonna get it eventually though, but that's why I went with MHD. And MHD is also cheaper. That intake, that turbo. Bro, I know I say like every video, but that thing's just different. I'm trying not to scare the dog, but I can't really help it. Yo, actually, I really want to get home because I'm starving, but I always wanted to see this house because, bro, I love houses. Like, seeing like nice houses, that's just really a motivation to me. Damn, yeah, that's a nice house. I don't even know if you guys can see it though. I feel like with me holding my head like this, you guys probably can't even see it, but that's a nice house though. It's a sick house. I really want to get a house, but man, them shit's expensive. 2024, it's almost like it's impossible to get a house. God, that's just a small dog. Let me take it out as 4+. I don't want to scare it. But yeah, like, I love houses. Damn, that one back there is nice too. I feel like I'm just getting old. Because usually, like, I've always liked houses, but like now I'm actually like looking at houses, searching up houses. Yeah, I'm probably just getting old, to be honest. But I really love houses though. Like, having a nice house and like cars, to me, that like that's a goal in life. That's just like, that's a vibe. Can't wait until I can like get to that point in my life. It's gonna happen eventually though. Once I keep grinding, doing what I gotta do, it will happen. I want to pass the house again though, because it is really nice. I've never been on this street either. I always saw like, I always see the house when I'm driving by, but I never actually turn on the street. So it's kind of my first time seeing it. Okay, if I let off the pedal right now, it's just gonna pop so much. I can feel it. So I'm just trying to not scare that little puppy. But yo, that house back there is nice too. That's a sick one. Let me know which one is your guys' favorite. Damn, that one's nice. Nah, I gotta reverse. These people are probably thinking I'm so sus. But yo, that look at this one. Like, this shit's nice. Like, damn, that's goals. Oh, the person is doing their garden. Nah, that is sick. I love houses with like black accents. I feel like that's the best like combo, like black with dark colors. Man, that's just nice. Especially like this one. Let me know which one is your guys' favorite. This one or the other one right back there. It's a hard choice. I think, no. I can't pick, to be honest. Yo, let's go. That's another one. Nah, I'm completely off route right now. Damn, that one's nice too. It's different though, but it's still nice. I like it. It's always good to drive different routes though and like see things. Yo, they got some sick houses back here. Damn, look at that one. Nah, bro. Yo, look at this one too. Nah, I swear. I'm just getting old or something, because I'm literally like driving, stopping, reversing just to look at some houses. Yo, like, just imagine, like, I always picture everything like, I don't know, I picture everything based on cars. Imagine this house with like a Miami blue McLaren 765 LT or like a Aventador SVJ on that laneway. Like, it's all kind of like bricks on the ground, and bro, that's just a vibe, I swear. Nah, that's motivation. I need to get there someday, eventually. I don't know when, but because houses are mad expensive, I swear. Even this one, like, yo, I love laneways like this. That's not just like regular paved. I like the paved ones too, but these ones are like little stones and bricks. Bro, that's a vibe, I swear. I love that. Now I want to go back even further. Disturbing these people with my loud pops. Damn, look at this one. Bro, I need to go home. I'm dying. Especially now I'm just here sitting and smelling the burger. I am freaking starving. But I want to see more. I think that's enough. This is a little vibe too. I like this little like outdoor vibe of this one. Like all wooden and yeah, that's a vibe. Wait, can I get home from here? Probably. I don't even know, bro. I'll try it though. Yeah, you might as well try it. It looks like that's my street. I have no clue. Roll my windows up a little bit. Yeah, I actually think that might be my street. Oh damn, that is my street. But yo, let me show you guys this other house because oh damn, I almost hit the fucking yeah, imagine. You guys would have seen that. But yo, you got a Porsche. I've never seen it open up, but this house is for sale. Like I legit go around, look at the signs and search up the houses. Like I can't even buy it. I don't even have a down payment for a house, but I always still look at them. But look at the backyard, yo. This is a vibe. The backyard is huge. It's from all the way up there all the way down there where those like seats are. Imagine at sunset just sitting there looking out, bro. It is a vibe. Probably this video is so like different. I feel like maybe a lot of people are gonna think I'm just weird and probably can't relate to it. I don't know, but if you guys can relate to me though, let me know, because I don't know, I'm super into houses and stuff like that. I just think it's a vibe. I'll give you guys another little pull though, because I'm almost home now. Give you guys like another pull or something, maybe like 2 more pulls, then I'll just end the video off there for you. Oh bro, this guy's turning with me. Alright, let's hear it. Nah, they're all just in front of me. I can't even give you guys no proper pulls, but yeah, thank you for watching this video again. I'm not even sure how long the video is. Thank you for watching again. Right now we're at 4.2k subs. Super crazy. I'm gonna get, my goal though is 10k by the end of this year. I'm not sure. I feel like I might pass 10k, and I also feel like I might just get to like 5k and barely grow after that. I don't know, but we'll see. Thank you guys though, for you guys that are here supporting me, watching all the videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. But yeah, thank you for watching another POV. You guys love the POVs, and I'll make a better POV soon though, like one that I'm actually doing pulls non-stop. This one is mostly just like house shopping, window shopping for houses. I'm not buying a house. I can't buy a house, but hey, thank you guys for watching though, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.